Peking duck. Ah, here we are. Duck a la mode. What are we having? I'm having news for them. Yes, I know you are. But what are we going to have to eat? Oh, I'll look something up. A surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of someone else. She said to be aware of the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they think it's part of their job description to stop us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can snatch the end of furniture and sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig flowers from freshly planted beds. And in articles of clothing, it's okay to hold your friends. I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly certain. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chill and shout before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't feed it. So Daddy, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can talk your tongue before you play with your food behind it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. We'll tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to pound the puddles, duck and run, take still the back for shadows. Then maybe as time goes by, and slice and wash, we find marshmallows. I'm going sleighing, dragonfly, watch what a moment brings. To say the cats are dangerous, it's really not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something that can hit me. You want to play hide and seek, do you? What are you? Like getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can take your chow before you chew. Your food you can't feed it. So ducky, 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 play with you. You can play with food before you bite it. You can play with your tongue before you have lunch. You can play with your food behind it. It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?